Hello, in front of me I've got Chevrolet TRAX. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. In the beginning, prepare some material, fabric like microfiber or some cloth, and take a look at the front of the engine. Let your car rest for 15 minutes on flat surface, and now remove the dipstick. Clean the dipstick and then place it back. While it's placed back, take it out again, and you can check engine oil level right here in these markings. The engine oil level mark should be in between left and right side. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.